Hi everybody, Samantha Shriver, Independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, coming to you today with some new goodies that I ordered. We have the Bird's Eye View stamp set. This is a photopolymer stamp set, and I just adore these little birds. They're so cute, and you can put the glasses on them. You can have them sitting on the books or on the tree branch. It's very cute. I also got the sketched plaid background stamp set. I thought this one went just adorable with the Bird's Eye View set. This is a cling background stamp set. I also got the Zany Zoo suite. So we have the Zany Zoo stamp set, which is a red rubber cling stamp set. It comes with all these adorable animals. This is great to color in with your blends. And then it comes with the Zany Zoo dies. And these are really cute. You have a scalloped border here, which you can use for with the curtain, like coming down above it. It comes with a little stool, a tree, some little flowers, and clouds. Just a lot of little stuff that you can use to build scenes. So that's really cute. That back in there. So also with this suite comes this ribbon pack. It's the Ribbon Duo Combo Pack. So very cute ribbon, and it comes with both spools. It also comes with this designer series paper, which is really cute. You can cut out these animals. You can fussy cut them, and then some of the animals do cut out that are in the stamp set. So I'll show you that as we go along. So you have this side, and the crocodile has a die that cuts out this, and then you can fussy cut the rest. And I really like the back sides of these. They're black and white. So then we have this, and then on this one you can cut out the raccoon with the dies and then fussy cut the rest of the animals. And then here's the back side of that. Now this one you can die cut the llama and fussy cut the rest. And here's the back side of that. That's really fun. And then this one you can fussy cut the turtle. You can die cut the turtle and then fussy cut the rest of the animals. You can fussy cut him out too, but I personally wouldn't want to do that if I had the die. And the back of that. This one, I'm not sure if that's a cheetah, but you can die cut the cheetah and then fussy cut the rest of the animals, so they can be on stage dancing. Here's the back of that. Then this last one, you can die cut the skunk and fussy cut the rest of the animals. And then there's the back side of that, very sweet. So that's the Zany Zoo suite. Then next, I love this. We had this in Celebration a while back. This is the More Dazzle 6x6 Designer Series paper. In Celebration a year or two ago, they had this, and they had just the silver, and now they've given us a silver and a gold. I don't know if you guys can see how sparkly and beautiful that paper is. It's gorgeous. The herringbone ribbon. This is a 3/4 inch ribbon. See if you guys could see that herringbone design on camera. The Baker's Twine Essential Pack, just because I know I'll be using that a lot. We have the Delightfully Eclectic 12x12 Designer Series paper. This is a 48 Designer Series paper pack that anyone can buy. Usually they make this a hostess pack, but this year you can just buy it in the catalog. It's $30. It comes with these sweet swans. I'm just going to show you the front and back of each. Here's the back of that. This reminds me of the hand-drawn dots background stamp set we had. And there's the back of that. Some little tulips. This would be sweet for baby cards. And there's the back of that. This is very pretty. I like those flowers. And we have some pretzels. We do have a stamp set that has pretzels in it, so that would go very well with that. I forget what the name of it is offhand. There's the back of that. This would go great with the Just My Type stamp set, the typewriter stamp set. Here's the back of that, and I love this. I love these hearts. And we have this one. And the back of that, which is some like notebook paper. We have some daisies. And the back of that, which looks like some lemons. We have this one. And the back of this, some more notebook paper. This is more of a yellowish. We have this. And the back of that, which I like that blue. Some sweet strawberries. Make sure I grabbed an extra. And then the back of that, we have some more dots. And the back of that, some sweet little flowers. And then this one, and the back of this is my absolute favorite out of the whole pack. I love that. That is so pretty. I did get some embellishments. We have, these are my absolute favorite that I bought so far. The adhesive back sparkle gems. I don't know if you guys can see those. Let me take them out of the paper. Or the plastics, they show up better. These are so pretty. I love those. And then we have the Tinsel 4-pack gems. I'm just going to open this and show you what the 4th color is. So you have those. Sorry for the dog barking in the background. Must be my neighbor's dog. We have the Tinsel gems. And these come with like a blue. The blue's a little hard to see, so I just want to open this up. So very pretty. I love the sparkle. Then we have the adhesive back sequins trio. The 2023 to 2025 in color dots. The neutral adhesive back sequins. I'll definitely use these a lot as well. Have some nice neutral colors. The ombre matte decorative dots. The 2023 to 2024 in color pearls. The online exclusives, they had these Irresistible Bloom bundle, which I purchased, and when I got it, the loose frosted dots were not available, so I had to purchase them later. You can die cut these out, and then you can adhere the dots on here. It's really pretty. So I just wanted to show you guys the bundle. It's a red rubber stamp set, and that's an online exclusive while supplies last. And then these loose frosted dots. See if I could open these without spilling them absolutely everywhere. If you guys can see those. And then the backs are flat, so you can just adhere them. I know it's hard to see. So you just can use a glue dot or some liquid glue and adhere those on. So those are really pretty. I got 2 of those since I didn't know how long those were going to be available. And then Stampin' Up! Had some logo vinyl decals. There's 2 in a pack. One's a little bigger than the other one. You could put those on your computer, car, laptop, whatever you want. They're available to customers as well. So I got those, and then just my catalog tabs for the new catalogs. I want to make sure I got that a little bit organized, so I got those. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you don't mind liking this video and subscribing to my channel, you'll be alerted to when my new videos are posted. And let me know what you guys like. I hope you guys have an absolutely wonderful weekend. Bye.